Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the NSPopover API along with a toolbar to display a particular popover in Flutter macOS application. So here is the output. Here you can see I have added this plus button as a menu bar, as a toolbar item, and if I click on it I am able to see a particular screen. Now for this we don't require any Dart code. We will have to write everything in Swift. Also this NSPopover API is only available from macOS 14 and above. So firstly what you will have to do, just create a Flutter project, then just go to this macOS folder which you see, double click on this XC workspace. It will open it inside Xcode. Go to your project, update the macOS deployment target to 14 over here, then go to runner, update the minimum deployment to 14 over here as well. Then go to this main Flutter window, and here what I have done is that to our Flutter view controller I have assigned this particular method .create toolbar. Before that I have also created this NSPopover and this plan sampling view controller. Now for this I have created another Swift file. So view controller is basically a screen in macOS or iOS. So the screen which you see when I click on the plus button is actually this plan sampling view controller. You can name it whatever you feel like, but this all UI needs to be done via Swift. Unfortunately I couldn't figure it out how to embed Flutter UI. There might be a way, but that would be way too complicated. So just to keep things simple, if I click on the plus button again, then it gets dismissed. If I click on it again, it gets presented. And you can show anything inside this plan sampling view controller. So just create a Swift file called plan sampling view controller. Here just extend NS view controller. Obviously you need to have little bit of knowledge on how to create UIs. I'm not using any storyboard, everything is done programmatically. Maybe you can use ChatGPT as well if you want. But also you will have to maintain state. I'm not doing that. This is just a simple, again don't follow this, create your own UI. I have just asked ChatGPT for this to create this UI for me, but yeah, you can create your own UI whatever you feel like for displaying when the user click on the plus button. So here I have created a object for that as well, and we are just assigning our toolbar. So here is this create toolbar method which I have created, and given that we are extending this NS toolbar delegate, we have to override few methods. So these are the few methods. So here you can see firstly we have to create this override this item for identifier, create our simple toolbar item, then create this NS toolbar item, and here we are using this plus icon. This plus icon is by default present inside macOS, we don't have to add it, and we are also setting some click listener on it. And again we have to override this too. So where exactly we want to display this toolbar, so yeah, that's why we have to override, and we have to pass the same identifier over here as well. Okay, so this is basic stuff. Then and on click of it is the actual thing. So if the popover is already shown, then we perform close. If not, then we just assign our view controller of sampling view controller to the content view controller's popover, and we just do popover.show relative to toolbar item. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.